Hey Steven, I'm going to Starbucks to get a coffee. Do you want to come?
Sure.
I'm going to fake an emergency alert system. Ha 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 ha. Attention people of Goanimate City. This is not a drill. There is a huge thunderstorm coming in a few minutes. Make sure you hide under your basement. And make sure you bring your battery-powered radio just in case of a blackout. That's all for now. Thank you for listening to this message. Ha 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 ha. What a bunch of idiots. Oh no, it's the police officers.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I was faking an emergency alert system.
Oh. How dare you fake an emergency alert system? That's it. Come with us. We're taking you to your parents.
Tracey, how dare you fake an emergency alert system? You know that you are not supposed to do that at all.
Your father is right, Tracey. Faking an emergency alert system is not funny. That kind of act can get you arrested.
But Mom and Dad, I'm very sorry.
No, your sorry won't work. You are grounded for 6,000 months.
That's right, Tracey. You're grounded and that's final. Now go upstairs to your room now.
What?